Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So all my G-Body guys out there are gonna love this one. We're gonna give you an update on the 78 El Camino. So I'm actually heading over to my brother-in-law's right now to go work on it. When we get there, I'll go ahead and show you guys the progress that we've already made and show you where we're left off on that. And we're gonna try to knock out the wiring on it today. We have a few little other odds and ends that need to be taken care of, but mostly the wiring and the fuel system is about all that's left. So hopefully we can knock out the wiring today. So check it out.
Next area is in the cold again.
Yeah, Midwest life. All right, got a lot of progress, guys. Check it out. Cooling system done, nailed out. Throttle cable done, nailed, all the way through the firewall, all the way to the pedal. Actually, I had to do some custom brackets on this, so hammered that one out. Don't look too closely at it. We'll paint it. Don't worry. As for the pedal, we actually had to do some work to adapt that bracket on there because the low car throttle cable that we're using here, which we like to use on a lot of the builds, really good universal throttle cable, has a different attachment. I'll show you guys some pictures, but we had to make a special bracket to connect it. And by special, I mean very special, almost like it wears a helmet special. But check it out. But it works. It works. Well, we're gonna go ahead and try and nail out the wiring today. Got a little bit of work to do with that. Well, a lot of work to do with that. And then the fuel system, and it's about done. We can go ahead and fire it up. We might get a little antsy about it and just go ahead and hook it up to a fuel jug and start it just because, you know, for reasons. Race car. But yeah, let's keep going. Spread that. Sure my dad doesn't watch this part. I'll have to listen to that forever.
How you didn't do it right?
Yeah, that's right. Sure I'm doing something wrong. Make sure you get my good side. I'm not sure where it's at though. Good luck.
What do you think? There's a process for this?
Yeah. Some people may say so. Those will be the people who leave the thumbs down.
Every video, there's at least one.
Gotta have the haters. Haters will say.
Yeah, every one of our videos has at least one. I don't mind on the shorts because the shorts, when you do the thumbs down, it just means like you don't want that kind of content showing up on your shorts feed, but our actual videos are people that come across the videos, not just...
Taylor Swift said it. Haters gonna hate. Now we've been demonetized for copyright.
What else is new since the last update here?
Well, we talked about the cooling system. The wires, getting that done finally. So this is the last wire to solder in here other than adding a ground wire. What else did we do? We got the steering shaft. We got a universal joint added to that. We got some clearancing done on the exhaust side over there. So steering is good to go. We just need to finish up the steering lines. Which you don't need to steer. We just need to go.
There's not a whole lot of clearance, but it clears.
Right. Just enough.
Heat and anger. Heat and anger.
So
Works
we
is
got-
not stupid.
So we got fuel system stuff left.
There's still stuff to get for the fuel system.
Won't know until we pull out the fuel tank and see how we need to adapt them on there to overcome. It's just not penetrating a lot. I'm not happy with it, but it'll work. Like they couldn't even strand together tightly because it's a really thick weave.
Good content.
Be able to get the heat shrink over that. I don't like that at all.
Any final words?
This is adding a grounding post, take 2. Alright. I can't even see what I'm doing. There's some light over here. How much you want to bet I just hit the threads on that one?
Think so?
Probably. Might be able to pull a Titanic up with that one. So maybe not enough.
Got a couple decent clips of you blowing now too.
Always. It's live entertainment.
Yeah, you can't really see it.
Get some light in there. The viewers need to know.
Oh yeah.
Oh, good old flux core. Woo! It's burned in though. She in there. I'm gonna wait for it to dry. Like that spacer. Yeah. Crimpers. Crimp it down. All right. So I'm gonna go stand in the other room while they do this. So, because I did a lot of the wiring myself. So let's go ahead and, the ECU is not plugged in. Or did we put the ECU back in?
It's sitting inside the car.
Inside here.
Oh, so it's not actually plugged in?
No.
All right, so we should still, none of the relays should kick on. Well, they'll kick on, and then we just won't hear any, nothing on the engine's gonna kick on. But we should be able to see if we can get the starter to crank over. Got power back to it. Nothing? We did something wrong.
Sure, the starter wire doesn't need to go through the ECU.
No. Goes directly from key to the starter relay.
You've got both starter wires, the power and the trigger.
All right, so I think we fixed the wiring issue on here. By fixed, I mean we did it the right way this time. So we're gonna go ahead and try to fire it up. Take 43, go for it. Woo! Yep, she rolls over. So what do we got? Fuel? That's about it. We gotta do fuel, and that's practically everything. Once we get that done, we're gonna get we're gonna do a first fire up with the motor in the car. We can put it on the ground. We're gonna do a burnout. First thing, burnout immediately. We gotta break this motor in the right way. So, yeah, I think we're getting really close to being done on this one. How you feeling?
Feeling good. I want to hear it run though.
Yeah. It's nice just to hear it crank, huh?
Yeah. It'll piss off the gamers. Make the gamers mad.
Well, I mean, if you really want to, we can always just, hook it up to a gas can again and just see what it sounds like. Maybe tomorrow, right?
Works for me.
Yeah. So we got a lot knocked out, so I'll let you finish up throwing the loom on there, get that all tidied up, little zip ties, make it look all pretty. And probably need to work on getting your dash put in, and then we'll have to tie that into the wire harness here, and that's about it. We're almost done.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, been a while. Haven't really been able to work on it much because of the weather, but it has come a long way though. She's about ready to go. Sweet.